Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to mark absence in an attendance list in a large data in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In this data sheet, we have attendance list for the students in a week. I have already marked it for the students that have attended, but for the students who are absent, I left the blank. Now I want to mark as absent. Click into this blank cell, press Ctrl G. This dialog box will open. Go to Special, tick blanks, and then OK. As you can see, all the blank cells are highlighted. I have already designed this datasheet for attendance list. If you would like to know how to design the attendance list, check the description. Now I'm going to type 0, press Ctrl Enter. As you can see in the blank cells, this cross sign will appear. Please remember, if the datasheet is not designed for attendance list and then type 0, the cross sign will not appear. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.